BlueOcean app pricing. Explain what you get for your money. BlueOcean is an investment app focused on sustainable and impact-driven portfolios. Many people assume eco-investing platforms are expensive, but BlueOcean provides clear pricing with no hidden surprises. The app is free to download, and you can start investing with no minimum account balance. BlueOcean charges an annual management fee of 0.25% to 0.50%, which covers automated portfolio management, access to IST-focused ETFs, and regular portfolio rebalancing. Deposits and withdrawals are free, and there are no trading commissions. Most people get this wrong by thinking responsible investing comes with extra costs. The surprising truth is that BlueOcean makes sustainable investing affordable and accessible. For instance, investing in standardized portfolio might cost only $50 annually, while your portfolio is automatically diversified and rebalanced. In conclusion, BlueOcean combines affordable pricing with a focus on responsible investing, giving users the ability to grow wealth while supporting environmental and social goals.